Hello my crafting friends, this is my first design team project for the month of July for Mama's Treasures exhibit shop that's owned by Rebecca, who is I Am Mama 24, and I will have a link in the description box below to her Etsy shop. She has a great sale going on this month for 25% off of her laces and trims, and they are absolutely beautiful and amazing. With the code MARLA8 you'll save another 10% off. So what I'm showing you is she sent us a couple of these really nice white bags, 2 white ones and 2 craft ones that she's selling in her shop. So I altered the white one as a gift, a little gift bag. There's a few of my YouTube friends and subbies that are having birthdays this month, so just wanting, I'm a little late. Had company for about a week at the end of the month and life was crazy, so I didn't get these done and out, but they will be going out in the next couple of days. So I used the Prima, what is it? I'm trying to finish up this pad of romance novel paper, just this fun vintage looking paper. This little fan here is from my stash, as is all the flowers and the stick pin. These were gifted to me from Stephanie, who's Vintage Paper Girl, and then I got this at like Joann's or something, and I used I popped this up from the paper. I used a border punch on the top and the bottom, and then kind of did the same in the back, and it's just going to be a nice little goodie bag that I'm going to stick a bunch of die cuts in for a crafty friend who has a birthday this month. And then the craft one I decided to make actually a paper bag birthday card for the second gal who has a birthday that was already passed. So I used this beautiful, not only did I use the beautiful craft bag that Rebecca sent me, but she sent me this beautiful black lace here, and it's just gorgeous. You can cut it apart and use a couple different pieces of it or however you choose. And then I just used a die and a stamp here to say happy birthday. These red leaves and red flower from my stash from Stephanie, who's Vintage Paper Girl. Then this beautiful red crochet applique is actually from Rebecca's shop, and last month she sent me white ones, and so she has them in red. And then she has this as well that make beautiful flower centers, the silver and the red. She has all different colors of these, so be sure and check her store out for those. And this is just a lace flower that I had put together. It looked just like this. I just stitched around and did that with some extra lace that I'm trying to, you know, de-stash and kind of clear out my craft room of stuff that isn't getting used, and wanting to make some handmade embellishments and stuff. So I had done a few of these, and that just made a really nice big flower there as a focal point. And I used a white doily from my stash as well. The Prima romance novel, the black paper here in the background. And then on the inside I used that Prima romance novel paper. This is a fun little cutout that my aunt had sent me in a challenge last year. Just a couple tags from a Prima paper pad. This is Spellbinders Xyron die that I'll write my little message to the birthday person. Put a little goodie in here. And then the back is that same paper, and I used my Tim Holtz Distresser on all the edges, and then I used my Stamps of Life little personal stamp there. And so those are the card, paper bag, birthday card, and the gift bag that I will be sending out to a few crafty friends. And I hope that you check out Rebecca's shop to get in on the great deals on the laces and trims that she has going on for the whole month of July. So thank you ladies for watching, and happy crafting.